Hello friend, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to create a signed APK from scratch for native Android in Android Studio. Let's start. First of all, go to the build option and select generate signed bundle/apk. You can see two options, where Android app bundle is used to upload app in Play Store and the APK is used to test production level app in mobile phone. Here set a path for Keystore file and set password. You can see the Keystore file is generated. Now go to bundle and generate signed APK where you see the path already selected. Enter the previous password that you set while creating Keystore file. You can see the signed APK file is generated.